Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you one amazing magic trick that will automatically remove all the sensor dust spots in your image. To do this, you have to be on Lightroom Classic 15.0 or any of the later versions. Alright, let's open Lightroom Classic and start the magic. All the black dots that you see in this image are actually sensor dust. To remove this, we'll have to apply a magic spell. Let us see how to apply it. Go to the Develop module here and click on the Remove icon. The shortcut key is Q. Now, expand the Distraction Removal section and go to the Dust mode. Once you are in the Dust mode, click on Apply. The algorithm detects and removes all the dust spots within your image. If you have to fine-tune the dust, you will have to click on Visualize Spots. Let me show you how many dust spots were there before and how many are pending now. There are hardly 1 or 2 dust spots that I can easily fine-tune now. This process saves me a lot of time. When you hover on the image, you can see how many dust spots were there before. All the white circles here denote the number of dust spots that the algorithm has identified and removed. Now, you can go to the Remove section here, select the Spot Removal tool and simply click on the remaining dust spots to fine-tune your selection. All the dust spots have been removed. Let us see how it was before and how it is now. Amazing, isn't it? If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.